Hello. In order to solve this type of integration, how I will have to go about it is, see, we have to try to express this whole thing in a way that uh, the numerator is somehow the denominator of the, somehow the differentiation of the denominator, right? So you see that denominator, we can express it in such a way that it is x square plus 1 by x square, right? But in order to do that, we have to divide the numerator with x square as well, because here what we are doing is this whole term this whole term we are introducing the x square here, right? So we are doing this in order to get that. So in the denominator also, in the numerator also, this term will be divided by x square. If we do that, we get this one. Okay, we get this one, and then we get it as dx. All right. Now that we have this, what we can do is, let us say we have to go there. Now what is this term? If we look at this term only, this is 1 plus 1 by x square. This is the differentiation of what? This is d of x, minus 1 by x, right? Dx, isn't it correct? So we see this particular term, we can express this term in terms of this, right? So if you can do that, how will you do that? That is x in x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2, right? And here it is, as usual, we have this 1 plus 1 by x square dx, right? Now we have all the basics ready. Now we can take this term, that is x minus 1 by x equals to z, right? Now if we do that, then it will be z square plus 2. Now what will happen? We already have seen this, right? So this is 1 plus 1 by x square dx equals to dz, right? Now we have this dz, it's common here. So we have expressed this whole thing in certain way, right? So here now what you have to do is, we have to just find a certain integral format which will be which we can deal with. And what will that format be? If I am to tell you, that will simply be integral of z square plus a square dz. This is equals to 1 by a tan inverse z by a, right? Z by a plus c. Okay, so this is the format. You have to express this whole thing. Now what you have is, have right now with us is dz z square plus 2. So 2 is simply root 2 square. So we can express it in terms of this 1 by root 2 tan inverse z by a. Z by a is z root 2 plus c. Now we'll substitute this z. We'll substitute this z with what? So as usual, we'll have this 1 by root 2 here, tan inverse root 2 here plus c. But what was z? If we go back here, what was z? Z was x minus 1 by x, right? So I will just substitute that, right? It is x minus 1 by x. Okay, so this is how you get to the solution for this particular problem. Okay, see you in a new problem in a new video. Bye for now.